What are defenses to personal injury claims? When contemplating the pursuit of a personal injury claim against a negligent party, it's paramount to proceed only if victory seems achievable. Adversaries frequently enlist adept legal minds to contest claims against their clients. To secure your position, it's imperative to comprehend the potential defenses they might employ to mitigate the defendant's liability. Exploring contributory negligence. In the realm of personal injury claims, especially those entwined with vehicular mishaps, defendants commonly assert that the plaintiff bears responsibility for their injuries. The legal concept encapsulating self-inflicted harm is known as contributory negligence. Within this legal framework, defendants contend that their negligence didn't directly cause the plaintiff's injuries, rather, the injuries resulted from the plaintiff's lapse in caution and care. For instance, envision a scenario where the plaintiff, involved in a car accident, was visibly distracted by their passengers. Despite being struck by another vehicle, the defense may exploit the distraction as a basis, asserting that the accident could have been averted had the plaintiff been more attentive. Unpacking pre-existing conditions. The essence of a personal injury claim lies in seeking restitution for damages arising from an accident that inflicted harm upon the plaintiff. However, if the defendant successfully establishes that your injuries predated the accident, they may diminish their financial obligation. To counter this, defendants, including insurance adjusters and attorneys, challenge the validity of the injuries claimed and scrutinize their timeline. Fortunately, the presence of pre-existing injuries doesn't automatically disqualify you from compensation. Frequently, accidents exacerbate pre-existing conditions, rendering the claim valid. To navigate such complexities, it is advisable to align your claim damages with your medical records. In cases of conflicting pre-existing injuries, enlisting the assistance of a Denver injury attorney is prudent for optimizing your claim's outcome. Confronting allegations of engaging in dangerous conduct. Defendants occasionally posit that the plaintiff knowingly engaged in perilous behavior, invoking laws that mitigate their full liability when risks are willingly assumed. However, this defense weakens if the plaintiff can demonstrate ignorance of the actual risks involved. Even if awareness exists, there remains room to argue against voluntary acceptance of those risks. Asserting your right to compensation. The responsible party has the prerogative to defend against your claims, but you, too, possess the right to dismantle their defense while persisting in your pursuit of compensation. To wield this right effectively, entrust your representation to a lawyer from front-range injury attorneys. For further assistance, reach out to a representative through our contact information. Your journey towards just compensation deserves unwavering advocacy.